If you're planning to buy a screw air compressor, one mistake can cost your facility thousands of dollars every year. That mistake is selecting the wrong compressor size. Many buyers assume bigger is better. Others choose the same size as their existing machine. Unfortunately, both approaches often create long-term operational and energy problems. Compressed air is one of the most expensive utilities in manufacturing. When a compressor is incorrectly sized, the entire compressed air system becomes less efficient. An undersized compressor struggles to maintain pressure during peak demand. Tools slow down, automation systems become unreliable, and production interruptions become more common. An oversized compressor can be just as problematic. Because the demand is lower than the compressor's capacity, the machine continuously loads and unloads. This increases wear, wastes energy, and raises operating costs. So what is the correct way to size a screw air compressor? The first step is understanding your actual airflow requirement. Every pneumatic tool, machine, process, and production line consumes compressed air. The combined demand determines the airflow requirement. Most compressor systems should also include a growth allowance, typically around 20%, to accommodate future expansion and unexpected increases in demand. The next step is pressure. Many facilities choose compressors based on higher pressure ratings than they actually need. However, every unnecessary increase in pressure results in higher energy consumption. The correct approach is identifying the equipment that requires the highest operating pressure and sizing the compressor accordingly. You should also evaluate operating hours. Will the compressor run continuously? Will demand fluctuate throughout the day? Will there be multiple production shifts? These factors influence the compressor configuration, control strategy, and overall system design. Another critical consideration is the duty cycle. Facilities with continuous air demand often benefit from premium rotary screw compressor systems and advanced controls. Facilities with highly variable demand may require storage receivers, sequencing controls, or additional system optimization. At Turbo Airtech, we help businesses evaluate their entire compressed air system rather than simply recommending a compressor model. Our process includes analyzing airflow requirements, pressure demand, compressor efficiency, future growth plans, and potential energy-saving opportunities. The result is a compressor solution designed around your operation instead of generic assumptions. Whether you're upgrading an existing compressed air system or planning a new facility, proper sizing can improve reliability, reduce downtime, lower maintenance costs, and significantly reduce energy consumption. Before you invest in a new screw air compressor, speak with a compressor specialist. Visit turboairtech.com and request a compressor sizing consultation today.